Quick questions are a great way to get real-time feedback on your class's understanding of a lesson or concept. Just present a question verbally or on the board and set up a quick question in Moby to gather responses from your students. To assign a quick question, sign into your teacher account, then click the Curriculum tab at the top of the page and click on a subject icon. On the next page, select the Assign tab at the top of the page. In the menu on the left side of the page, click on Ask Quick Question in the Whole Class section. You can select what type of question you would like to send, then assign a correct answer and a time frame. Click Next at the bottom of the page. Then select the students to whom you want to send the question. Clicking Finish will send the question to those students and take you to a report where you can watch the results come in. Your students will get a notification in their Assignments tab in the Student Lab, and they can answer the question there. As your students submit their answers, your page will show updates in real time. At the top of the page, you can see how many students have responded and the number of students who have answered correctly. Below this summary, you'll see a more detailed report with a list of all your students, telling whether they have answered correctly and what answers they have given. This report gives you the opportunity to act on the results of your quick question immediately. And if you want to review the information, Moby saves a record of the results of your quick questions. Just return to the Assign page and click the Results tab. Select the Quick Question link in the Assessment section in the left sidebar. Then click the question you would like to review. Quick questions are a great way to gauge student understanding so you can adjust instruction on the fly and tailor teaching to your students' needs.